Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, we are going to study here animal classification. History of animal classification, new methods, system of animal classification, kingdom Animalia. These are the sub-points involved in this topic. And which criteria are used for classification of organisms? Following criteria are used for classification of organisms. Cell structure, prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Pro means false and karyon means nucleus. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. Means nucleus is present or nucleus is absent. On that basis, classification of organisms takes place. Body organization. Either body is made up of single cell or many cell. If single cell, called as unicellular, and if many cell, called as multicellular. Means cellular organisms and multicellular organisms. These criteria are used here. Presence or absence of cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall is the outermost covering in the plant cell, which is made up of cellulose and lignin. But cell wall is present in plant cell only and absent in animal cell. Mode of nutrition. Autotrophic, heterotrophic and saprotrophic. Either they produce their own food or depends upon their food on another organism or maybe plant, or that depends upon their food on dead and decaying matter. Mode of reproduction. Asexual and sexual, these are the two different modes of reproduction. Then flow chart of living organism. Living organism which are classified into first of all two categories, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Means nucleus absent, nucleus present. Prokaryotic, which includes only one kingdom, kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic, again divided into two, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means body is made up of single cell, which includes kingdom Protista. For example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. In case of multicellular organisms, body is made up of many cells, and which again divided into two, cell wall present, cell wall absent. If cell wall present, divided into two, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Autotrophic, which include kingdom plant or kingdom plantae. In case of heterotrophic, include kingdom fungi. If cell wall absent, it includes kingdom Animalia. Means there are 5 kingdom classification by Robert Whitaker. Kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi and kingdom Animalia. Then how the plants are classified? Plants are classified on the basis of presence or absence of organs. Which organs here? True root, shoot or stem, fruits, flowers, etc. These organs present or absent. On that basis, plants are classified as cryptogams and phanerogams. Presence or absence of separate conducting tissues. In the plants, conduction takes place by the xylem and phloem. Xylem conducts water, and phloem conducts food. These two are the conducting tissues present in the plants. Presence or absence of flowers, fruits and seeds. Whether the seeds are enclosed within a fruit or not. If enclosed, called as angiosperm. See here, angio means closed and sperm means seed. And gymnosperm means naked seed. Gymnos means naked and sperm means seed. If seeds are present, either it is one cot or it may be two cot. If one cotyledon, called as monocotyledon. For example, jowar, maize, rice, etc. There are two equal parts are not formed here and hence called as monocotyledon. In case of dicotyledons, there are two equal parts are formed. Example, tur, moong, etc. Then definition of animal classification. Formation of groups or subgroups of animals depending upon similarities and differences among animals are called as animal classification. See your definition. Formation of groups or subgroups of animals depending upon similarities and differences among animals called as animal classification. Then history of animal classification. Living organisms are classified into two. One is plants and another one is animals. The classification of plants by the Theophrastus and classification of animal by the Greek philosopher Aristotle. He classified the animals accordingly to the criteria like body size, habits and habitats. A classification proposed by Aristotle is known as artificial method. Instead of Aristotle artificial method of classification, it was also followed by Theophrastus, Pliny, John Ray and Linnaeus, etc. Natural system of classification was based on various criteria like body organization, means body is made up of one cell, many cell or tissue, organ, system, etc. Types of cells again here. Chromosomes, how many number of chromosomes present in the body, biochemical properties, etc. Criteria are used in natural system of classification of animals. Recently, Carl Wood has also proposed the animal classification. Then benefits of animal classification. Study of animal becomes convenient. It is easy to study the different varieties of animals here. Study of few animals from a group helps to understand about their entire animal group. It gives idea about animal evolution, how there are changes takes place in the animals. All that idea given by benefits of animal classification. Animals can be easily identified with great accuracy. It helps to understand the relationship with other living organisms. It helps to understand the habitat of each animal and its role in the nature. It helps to understand various adaptations shown by different animals here. I hope you understand it. Thank you, student.